Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're grabbing some seriously powerful punctuation tools to rescue your writing. See this? One tiny mark completely changes who is eating who. It literally saves lives.
That's a hyphen. It joins words together and saves us from accidental comedy by removing confusion.
When a hyphen links words together to describe a noun, it creates a compound adjective. You use it for epic descriptions like mud-covered boots or a 3-year-old boy. Super clear, right?
Hyphens are also basically glue for numbers. Everything from 21 to 99 absolutely needs one.
Even in massive numbers, if you write out 41, that hyphen just has to be there.
They also act as the ultimate puzzle piece, perfectly linking prefixes right onto root words.
A single hyphen can literally alter your career. I mean, are you resigning or re-signing? Did you recover from a mistake or recover a cake? The hyphen clarifies your meaning instantly.
Let's switch gears completely. Time for the ellipsis. 3 tiny dots packed with absolutely massive power.
An ellipsis isn't just a random pause. It creates dramatic, nail-biting tension in your story. Let's set the mood for a second. Picture yourself stepping into this dark, mysterious cave. All of a sudden, I heard footsteps approaching from the darkness. Feel that suspense building up? See how that pause begs you to keep reading? You simply have to know what happens next. Stepping further in, I noticed marks on the walls, claw marks. It delivers the ultimate shock. Hyphens for perfect clarity, ellipses for immense suspense. Which of these will elevate your next story?